October 24th, wear red and sign the pledge. Grab your lunch and meet us at 11D during lunch to sign the pledge and sit down for a video. On October 25th, can't touch this, don't touch drugs. Dress up as the 90s. October 26th, your future is bright without drugs. Wear college gear.
October 27th, team up against bullying and drugs. Wear your favorite sports jersey. October 28th, boo drugs out of your life. A costume day or wear HHS gear. Show your support and continue to stay drug-free.
Scots. Formal is just around the corner, and must have all DEP cleared to attend. Please turn in any old uniforms or textbooks they might have lying around. You can also check in the finance office to see what DEP you might have.
Do you have a dirty car? Gross. Well, I guess don't wash it yet. Wait until we have our Avid Club car wash fundraiser on October 22nd, Saturday, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. At Les Schwab Tire on Oswell, just south of Bernard Street. Your $5 wash will support students whose dream is to be the first in their family to go to college. We'll see you and your dirty car there on Saturday.
Now it's time for a break. Never mind, we still have some information.
Did you know October is LGBTQ plus month, History Month for Kern High School District? Let's go to Miss Cornford with some information.
Hi, I am Miss Cornford, the GSA Pride Club Advisor here at Highland, and I'm here to tell you about LGBTQ History Month, which is October. Here, the Kern High School District Board of Trustees decided to make the month of October officially LGBTQ History Month. And here at Highland, we are celebrating LGBTQ History Month with some educational opportunities. Around campus, you might see posters like this. We have different LGBTQ icons on posters with a QR code. So use your phone, scan the QR code, learn about different LGBTQ icons of American history this LGBTQ History Month. So what does LGBTQ mean? It is an acronym. So L stands for lesbian, G for gay, B bisexual, T transgender, and Q for queer. Queer is usually used as an umbrella term to describe anyone who may not identify as straight or cisgender, heterosexual, and it is an umbrella term for the community of gay people in the United States, and we have a Pride Club for all people who are LGBTQ or who love LGBTQ people to come show support and celebrate our community. One person I want to spotlight for you in particular is Marsha P. Johnson, a Black transgender woman who was important for the gay rights movement. She led the Stonewall riots and was important at getting gay rights supported in the United States.
Thank you, Mrs. Cornford.
Let's go with Christian and Isabel with some sports news.
Hey Scott, I'm Christian, and this week we're going to be looking at some highlights from the BHS versus Highland High School game. Here are the highlights.
Hey guys, welcome to Scots Weekly. How do you feel today?
Oh, great. Yes, very good.
That was very comical great there, isn't it? Anyway, so how does it feel to be out here, you know, football game during these times?
So great. Oh my God.
Great. How do you think that people feel being out here?
I think they're gonna have a lot of fun tonight.
How is it easy running all of this, you know, supplies and running the student section?
It's so hard, so stressful. You gotta make sure the crowd's always cheering. You gotta make sure you have supplies and just have spirit the whole game.
All right, sounds good. Well, I hope to see some highlights from later, you know, to keep the crowds loud, and let's turn up for tonight. Thank you for your time. Scots Weekly, who am I here with?
I'm Joseph Turner.
Oh yeah, you know, we're gonna win.
And Gracie.
All right.
Now for sure.
So what are we going to be getting into?
How y'all feel about this game?
Great. It's pink. Pink is my favorite color. I do.
How do you think we're going to do?
I think we will win because we're wearing pink.
You like this fight, huh?
Let's go!
You cannot kick it deep. Good job. Good!
It's a big dub.
Oh, yeah.
We got that big dub. You already know the deal.
Oh, yeah.
Highland boys, Highland boys.
Today, there will be an away game at BCHS at 7:30. Now, we're gonna go with Isabel for the rest of the sports.
Hey Scots, I'm Isabel. Here are some pictures from the girls' tennis senior night. Girls soccer will begin conditioning Monday, October 24th from 4:30 to 6 p.m. Soccer cleats are required. That's it for girls sports news. Let's get back to the studio.
Thank you, Isabel and Christian.
Now we'll go to the weather report with Felicity.
Hey Scots, my name is Felicity and I'm here to talk about the weather. It's the 7-day forecast at Highland High School. Monday's going to be 72, Tuesday's going to be 72, Wednesday's going to be 63, Thursday's going to be 66, Friday's going to be 69, Saturday's going to be 77, and Sunday's going to be 77 as well. Just so you know, guys, the weather might change.
Thank you, Felicity.
Don't forget, fall sports rally is happening today during third period.
That's it for today, Scots.
Have a great day and weekend.
Plaid up.